Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in to your TikTok account when you forgot your password. If you forget your password and unable to log in to your TikTok account, this video is very important for you. Today I will show you if you forget your TikTok password, then what to do. Open the TikTok app. Tap profile at the bottom right corner. Here. Tap the three-line icon at the top right corner and then go to settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, scroll down and you will find report a problem. Select report a problem. Here you will find a lot of category. From these categories, select account and profile. Here in account and profile, again tap log in and then tap on forget password. Now follow the steps in the app to submit your problem. Once you forget your password, if you are not logged in, tap login at the bottom of the page. Select use phone, email or username and then select email or username. Tap forget password to reset your password. Choose to reset password with your email or phone number. If you are logged in, tap profile at the bottom of the page. Tap the three vertical line of the top right corner of the profile page and then tap settings and privacy. Then tap manage account and then tap password to reset your password. For users who have joined TikTok using other social media account, password will need to be reset from that platform. If you follow these steps, you will be able to reset your forgotten TikTok password. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.